Right, so we've driven down into the Austrian countryside to visit the Capita Mothership factory. This is where we produce all our duotone twin tip kiteboards. We're going to go through the whole production line and see what goes into making some of the best kiteboards on the water. This is where the whole process begins. The warehouse where all the wood blanks are stored. This forms the basis for all of our boards at Duotone Kiteboarding. Once the wood blank has been carefully chosen, it is then moved to the milling department so that it can be shaped individually for each board model. The top and the bottom sheets of the boards have the graphics printed onto them using two different processes, digital and screen printing. The characteristics of each board model, from the Select Extreme all the way to the Gambler, are created by the different composite materials that are laid onto the wooden core. This governs everything from flex pattern and weight to strength during the lamination process. Once all the different materials have been prepared, the lamination process begins. We use a non-toxic resin hardener to combine the material recipe that makes our boards the lightest on the market. Once the layup is complete, the decks are placed onto the molds and then inserted into the hydraulic presses that are heated by power from the nearby River Gaia. After the press has done its work and the resin is cured, the boards are taken to the cutting table. This laser cutter trims the outlines perfectly, exposing the track inserts on the decks and the ABS rails that make our boards so durable. The outline of the boards are then finished carefully by hand. Throughout the process, the quality of each board is checked to ensure each stage is exact. One of the most important processes is the routine testing that our boards go through to ensure strength, quality and consistency in construction. This is how we guarantee each and every board lives up to the Duotone name. The finishing department is our final quality control method, cleaning the decks, stamping the serial numbers on all of the boards, and attaching the warranty stickers. Each board produced at the Capita factory also has this sticker. The final stage before distribution is the packing. Reduced plastic usage, tip tail and rail protection make sure that each board is perfect before it comes to your door.